Hey guys, it's been a while. Hope everyone's been doing great and excited for the upcoming holidays. Well, today I come to you with a surprise unboxing. I was recently in my local Hermès boutique looking for a gift for a friend when suddenly in the corner of my eye I spotted this wishlist item just right out in full display. And as what we all know, the next thing we do when we see an eye candy in store is to look for that dreaded for display only sign, only to be disappointed, right? However, in this instance, there was none of that. So I had to immediately ask my SA, is this bag for sale? And indeed, she said, if I'm interested, I can walk away today with this bag. And guess what? I did. This is the Hac A Dos or backpack in PM size in this deep, rich, dark brown color called Écorce or bark with Togo leather and Palladium hardware. At the back is a single adjustable Amazon strap. A feature that I love about this bag is how secure it is. To open it, you have to first twist the turn lock so that it aligns with the topmost buckle's opening, and then twist the turn lock again so that it realigns to the second buckle's opening. And from there, you can open the top flap. A look inside reveals a smooth leather lining in the same Écorce color with a back pocket and a key ring holder. It also comes with a matching cloche. There are several ways of wearing the Hac A Dos. The first and most common way of wearing it is as a crossbody in front. This would be my personal choice, especially when traveling. Another way is to wear it as a crossbody at the back. It can also be worn over the shoulder as a backpack. And lastly, I would consider this as my alternative way of wearing, which is as a single strap in front for a more casual look. What I love most about the Hac A Dos is how much it retains the codes of the hack. Looking at a Birkin, you can see that it also has the same top flap details such as the sangles, the turn lock, and even the flap closure in that curved detail. Minus the top handle, the Hac A Dos is basically a Birkin in a backpack. Now guys, you heard it right. I was able to purchase this bag right off the display. Technically, if I were a new customer and I just walked in the boutique, I would have been able to purchase this item without any history or pre-spend. I asked my SA about this and she was very transparent in saying that this has been a slight shift that the management has been implementing late, where for some of their non-quota bags to be readily available for purchase in boutiques. What do you guys think about this move? Now that being said, my SA was also very clear in saying that they only receive very limited quantities of these items that are ready to be sold on shelf. In my case, there were only 2 sets of this, along with a black and a dark blue. So there's also this right place at the right time factor that comes into play. Thank you so much for joining me in this very unexpected unboxing of one of my most coveted non-quota bag pieces from Hermès, something that you might want to consider adding to your collection. And tell me, I'm very curious, do you also have the same experience in your local boutiques as I did? I look forward to your comments below. Like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Happy holidays, everyone!